To order from PandaBuy, start by opening their website and logging into your account. Once logged in, browse and select the product you wish to purchase. On the product page, choose the desired details, such as color and size. After selecting these details, scroll down and check the box indicating you agree to the terms. Next, click the Buy Now option and proceed to choose your delivery destination. At the bottom of the page, confirm that you have read and agreed to the terms by checking the respective box. Then click Submit Order. This will direct you to the checkout page, where you will need to select your preferred payment method, which may include your PandaBuy balance, PayPal, debit cards, or other options available in your country. After choosing your payment method, confirm the payment at the bottom right corner of the page. By following these steps, you should be able to complete your order from PandaBuy without any issues.